Hello, welcome to Advanced Accounting. This is an introduction to give you an overview how the course will work, and this is at UCSD. And what we're going to do is walk through the Blackboard portion and the homework program, which is called Connect by McGraw-Hill. They also have a new feature for Advanced Accounting called LearnSmart. They've had it for their intermediate accounting and financial managerial, but they just came out with it for Advanced Accounting. And I'm hoping that it helps you get through this class. So here's the overview. Again, if you go to Blackboard, and you need to go to Blackboard to get access to your homework, or it won't, your homework grades will not transfer to Blackboard. So you're going to go to Blackboard like you did with the other classes to email me to get a link to the Connect program. There'll be the syllabus, lessons, assignments, and again, in this class, we don't really have quizzes. What we have is we have homework. There's a lot of it because this is some hard stuff to understand. We have LearnSmart, and we have 2 quiz type exams. Now, the sequence of how you do this class should be you go to Blackboard first. Now, when you go to Blackboard, you're going to, again, you're going to have the overview, which is this audio PowerPoint. You can see it again. Now, if you go to the introduction, there's a link right there. It takes you right to me. And believe me, if you have any questions, please email me through Blackboard and I will get back with you. I do not respond as quickly if you put it in the discussion board or even if you put it in the homework program. The best way to contact me is to go through this link and tell me what chapter and what problem, and I will walk you through it as many times as you need. Now, also we have the link that gets you to the Connect assignment program. Now, this link will allow you to register if you buy it, the registration code. Now, we are using the 13th edition, so please make sure that's the access code you get. Now, you can go to this link. Instead of going through school, you can buy an access code or you can use the program for 2 weeks for free. But again, you must go through Blackboard for all your assignments. So again, that is a link to this audio PowerPoint if you feel like you need to watch it again. Now, the first time when you select Link to Connect Assignment Program, this is what's going to appear. If you already have, if you've taken this class, use Connect in the last year for Advanced Accounting, all you have to do is sign in. Otherwise, you have to enter your email and register for the class. Now, again, we are using the 13th edition. I suggest that you will use the ebook. That's the book you need. They did such a better job explaining the chapters because this Advanced Accounting, particularly consolidated financials, is very challenging for most students. All right, this is the page it's going to take you through for the first time. What you're going to do here is you're going to enter an email address. You're going to enter a password, your full and last name, select a security, and tell us about the school. Just click on the first one for University of California, and then select Next Step. Now, once you select Next Step, you're going to enter your access code if you bought it, or you can buy it online, or you can select Courtesy, get Courtesy access. Now, this is if you buy the online version, which is the ebook, and access to homework, it's $137.50. Otherwise, you can get it for free for 2 weeks. But you can also get a printed copy of your course content, and they will sell that to you at an additional cost. Now, once you decide you want to get the 2-week free access, all you do is have to select Confirm, and you have access. Now, at the end of 2 weeks, it blocks you out, so you must buy the access code. If you select syllabus, there is a link there that'll download the syllabus, the whole syllabus, and the last page of it is this schedule right here, which shows you what are the requirements each week. Now, if you select lessons, what you're going to see here is I show you, I have a list of all my audio PowerPoints, and then I give you a version where you can print them out if you want. If that's just a better way for you to learn. So if you select lessons every week, you need to go in on Monday and go to the lesson for that week. So the first week, it's going to be lesson 1. When you go to that lesson, this is what's going to appear. You're going to get a chapter outline. It's going to have a link to the LearnSmart, which I suggest you do before you look at my audio PowerPoints, because the audio PowerPoints are going to show you how to do the homework. Then go ahead and do the homework. Select discussion board. This is where you, if you have a question about a chapter that you want to discuss with us students, you can go here. But the best way, if you want me to answer a question, is go through email and send me the question directly. Now, select assignments. This will be a list of all your requirements for the semester. And again, for each chapter, we have a new program called, it says LS, it's called LearnSmart. And what it does is it takes you to the textbook, it shows you the important topics, and then it has a practice. And you can do that as many times as you want, for as long as you want, for up to 22 points. But it does have a due date, and they cannot be late. So, if you decide to do you go into Connect, what it's going to do is show you the homework programs, and you, on the side, you decide what you want to select. Now, in this case, I have selected a LearnSmart, and if you look on the right-hand corner, it tells you the chapter. It tells you it takes about 23 minutes. I give myself at least an hour if I were you, if not more. These things take a long time. And on top of that, it assumes you've read the book. But if you didn't, it allows you to go in and read the book about a specific question and then go in. It also tells you the start date and it tells you the due date. Then, if you're ready to start, you go to begin. Now, what it will do first, it will come up with the ebook. It also has someone that lectures you. If you don't want to listen to that, all you have to do is say no sound. Once you have done that, then you select practice. And that's when you get this. Now, here's what you do, and read it carefully. Sometimes it will say select 1. Other times it will tell you there are multiple answers. Like in this example, it says check all that apply. Now, the other thing you need to do is, if you decide, wait a minute, I need to read the book, you can select read about this first. Then you select the answers that you want. Then you say, how well do you think you know it? I would not suggest you have no idea, because that means you are going to get tested on it quite a few times. Once you've done that, this is what you're going to get if you did it correctly. So again, there's no time limits, but there is a due date, and you can't submit them after the due date. So do not wait until the last minute to do these, because they take a long time. Now, what about the homework? Well, you select the homework. It tells you that you have 3 attempts and the due date, and you lose 2 points for every day late. Select begin when you want to start. It will tell you again the guidelines. It will tell you when it's due. It'll tell you the number of attempts, and it'll tell you that you're going to be dinged 2% for every day late. This program just works different. And it tells you you can earn up to 24 points. Now, you don't have to do all the assignments. You can just do as many to get 20 points. It's your choice how many of these you want to do, because there are a lot of assignments. Now, when you're ready, you just select Let's Go. This is what is going to appear. Now, what's nice about this program is, what you can do is, my suggestion is you review my audio PowerPoints before you start the homework, so you kind of have a clue how the homework operates. The homework does allow you to look at the text if you need help. So in this, and also you can check your work 3 times. So once you enter, select check my work, and it'll tell you if it's right or wrong. If you get it right, it appears in green. If you get it wrong, it's going to be in red. I would suggest after the second attempt, if you still have it wrong, you should email me and I'd be glad to help you work it out. Now, if you come to a problem like this one and you say, oh, I have no clue what to do, it will actually link you to that section of the textbook that covers the topic. And this is what you'll get. You will get the section of the book, and it will explain to you, as best it can, how that particular area works. Now, this concludes my presentation on the Advanced Accounting class at UCSD Extension. So please, if you have any questions, just email me through Blackboard. There is a link on the introduction page, and make sure you include your first and last name, the chapter, and a description of what you need help with. And I would be glad to walk you through it. And welcome to Advanced Accounting.